So why is the Apple Watch update taking very long? Let me talk about some possible reasons behind it and what you can do to fix that. Let's get started. And if you're new here on this channel, consider subscribing for the next tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so there are a few reasons. It could be caused by the issue of connections. So for example, if you turn off the Bluetooth on your iPhone, it will force the Apple Watch to use the Wi-Fi connection for update, right? So, the updated data might go between the iPhone and Apple Watch through either Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. And if you turn off the Wi-Fi, not that you just disconnect it, but you literally just turn it off completely, then it will be forced to use Wi-Fi, and then it's a bit faster, right? When it comes to like downloading the thing, like update from the internet, just make sure that the internet connection is good enough. Like, if you're connected to Wi-Fi, make sure it's stable. If you're using data, make sure that you have enough like cellular data available. So that is something that you can do to speed things up. Then it could also, help if you just leave it on the charger. That might help. Obviously, if it's not fully charged, it can slow down the whole process. If it doesn't work and if it's taking too long, you always have the ability to restart both the iPhone as well as the Apple Watch. So perhaps it will get the job done faster. But, that's something that could help you out. Keep in mind, however, that it might also be caused by the server performance, because the Apple's servers, especially when they release a new update that a lot of people are interested in, it might be slowed down, right? Because of the high volume of users downloading updates at the same time. So that's not something that you can really do anything about, but it's kind of like a good idea to know that it can happen, right? So let me know in the comments below if any of these things helped you. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the next tutorials and upcoming videos, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.